Welcome back to the Spiritual Clinic. Today, we're diving into the life and teachings of one of the earliest church fathers, Clement of Rome. Stay tuned to learn about his influential works, key discussions, and the lasting impact of his ministry. Clement of Rome, also known as Pope Clement I, was one of the first bishops of Rome. He is believed to have led the church from around AD 88 to AD 99, succeeding the apostle Peter. Clement is often remembered for his epistle to the Corinthians, known as 1 Clement, which is one of the earliest extant Christian documents outside the New Testament. Not much is known about Clement's early life, but tradition holds that he was a contemporary of the apostles, possibly even ordained by Peter himself. He played a crucial role in the early church during a time when Christianity was still establishing its identity and doctrines. Clement's most famous work is his letter to the Corinthians, written around AD 96. This letter was penned in response to a dispute within the Corinthian church, where a group had unjustly deposed their leaders. Clement's letter is significant for several reasons. 1. Clement emphasizes the importance of unity within the church, urging the Corinthians to restore their deposed leaders and live in harmony. He highlights the virtues of humility, peace, and love, drawing on examples from Scripture to support his arguments. 2. Clement stresses the importance of maintaining ecclesiastical order and respecting church leaders. He argues that the apostles appointed leaders to guide the church, and this structure should be respected. 3. Clement advocates for a balance between faith and good works. He emphasizes that believers should not only have faith, but also demonstrate their faith through righteous actions. Clement's letter is one of the earliest examples of Christian literature that discusses the concept of apostolic succession, which would later become a cornerstone of church governance. His emphasis on order, respect for leadership, and the integration of faith and works influenced subsequent theological thought. Clement's influence extended beyond his writings. As one of the first bishops of Rome, he helped shape the role and authority of the papacy. His feast day is celebrated on November 23rd in the Roman Catholic Church, and his legacy is honored in both Eastern and Western Christian traditions. Clement's call for unity, respect for leadership, and dedication to living out one's faith through good works remains relevant today. His teachings continue to inspire and guide Christians around the world. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the life and ministry of Clement of Rome. If you found this video insightful, please like, share, and subscribe to the Spiritual Clinic for more content on early church fathers and spiritual teachings. Until next time, stay blessed.